friends, welcome to my easy Java class. String functions in Java part 2 is the continuation of string functions in Java part 1. Here also we will discuss some more functions, string functions available in Java. To get my previous video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And write the comments in the comment box. If you like this one, please share it to others also. Okay, let's start now. Today we will start with a new function, equals function. What's the use of this function? This function is used to compare two strings together to check whether they are identical or not. It returns a boolean type value true if both are same, otherwise false. Some more things to remember. Equals function results in true only when both the strings are same in all the respects. That is, they must have the same length and the same order of characters. One more thing, equals function treats corresponding uppercase and lowercase characters differently. That means if both are same, the same thing, the cases are same, order is same, everything is same, then we will get a boolean type value as a resultant, true or false. If both are not same, you will get a value as false. That means data type must be in boolean. Okay, let's consider with an example. Okay, first in the first string we have a value as good morning, and the second string also the value is good morning. Then if you use this equals function, how can you use, what is the format? First we will write the first string name dot equals, then put the bracket, in that bracket write the second string and close the bracket, put the semicolon. Then it will check, you will get the answer as true here because both are same. That means again you just remember this function is used to check the equality of two strings, and it will consider the case also. Okay, and Java is case sensitive. Please take care when you are writing the function name equals full in small letter. Okay. Next function, equals ignore case function. What's the use of this function? This function is also used to compare two strings to check whether both are identical or not after ignoring the case. That means it will not consider the cases of the letters. Corresponding upper and lower case characters are treated to be the same. It also returns a boolean value as true or false. And one more thing to remember, the double equal sign is never used for checking equality of the strings. And if you want to check the equality of two strings, you should use this equals or equals ignore case function. You can use both function, and equals function consider the case, equals ignore case function does not consider the case of the letter. Okay, and let's check with an example. In the first string, we can see the value as computer application, and it's a mixture of capital and small letters. And the second value, string variable, we can see the value as computer application full in capital letter. Here, how can you use this function? First, we will write the string name a1 dot equals ignore case bracket. We will write the second string name and close the bracket, put the semicolon. Then you will get an answer. You will get an answer as true. Here, this function will not consider the case because that you will get the answer as true. Okay, you just take care when you are writing the function name, because see, equals full in small letter and I ignore first letter I is in capital and case C is also in capital, because Java is case sensitive and there is no space in between the function name when you are writing. Just remember that. Okay. Next is length function. What is the use of this function? This function is used to find the length of the given string. That means it will count the characters present in the string. Then what's the format? First you write the string name dot length with the function bracket. Just remember that this function has no arguments. Okay, and there is an example. Let's listen to that example. String A is equal to Java programming. The string value is Java programming. With the help of that table, you can understand the thing just remember that the count starts from 1 here because we need to find out the correct length of the string. Then we will start the count from 1. Okay, then we will get the output as an output as 16, and it will consider the blank space also. Okay, I think you understood the meaning. Length function is used to find the length of the string. Okay. Next is caret function. What's the use of caret function? This function returns a character from the given index or the position number of the string. That means if you want to extract a character from the string, you can use this caret function. You just say the position number of that string as an argument. Okay, you can give an integer argument. If you give the position number, you will get the character from that position number. That is the use of this function. With the help of that example, we can learn this one. In the string value, I gave the value as computer. And if you are using this character function, you will get a character output. Because of that, I use the character variable to store the value char ch equal to a dot caret 5, fifth position I had given. Then with the help of that table, we just listen into that table. In the fifth position, we know that the character is as t. That means the index starts from, I told you, the index starts from 0. Because of that, in the fifth position, you will get a character as t. If you are giving the number as 3, you will get the character as p. If you are giving a number as 7, you will get the character as r. Like that, which character you are giving, the same from the position you will get it will extract the character. Okay, understood the thing? And just take care about the function name because Java is case sensitive. Okay. Function is substring function. What's the use of this function? This function is used to extract a set of characters simultaneously from a given index up to end of the string. As the function will return a set of characters, hence you must use a string variable for storing the result. Okay, and that means this function is used to extract a part of a string. If you want to take a part of substring, if you want to take a substring, you can use this substring function. If you want to extract a word from a string, you can use this function. Okay, and the argument of that function is an integer number. Okay, and if you give this number, it will extract from that position number to end of the string. Okay, understood? I think so. Let's consider the example. Here, the value of A is equal to understanding. Okay, and we had given the substring argument as 5 here also. A dot substring of 5. How can you use? First write the string name dot substring of the position number within bracket. And here I had given 5 as an argument. Okay, with the help of that table, just learn this one. From that table we can understand fifth position, which character starts from that position S. That means from that fifth position to end you will get standing. What is that word? Standing. 5th to 12. It will cut 5th to 12. Okay. Then you will get a word as standing. That means If you are giving a number, you will get from that position to end of the string. You will get a string. The value output will be string value. Okay, understood? I think so. Substring function is used to extract a part of a string. Okay. Substring with two integer arguments. This is the modification of substring function. It will return a set of characters simultaneously from start index up to the last index of the string, excluding the character present at the last index. Just remember that, excluding the character present at the last index. It will return a set of characters of the string from the first index number to the last index number by excluding the character at the last index. I think you understood the things. With the help of this example, we can learn it easily because here we had given the value as understanding. Okay, and with the help of that table, you just listen to that table. The position numbers also displayed there. From the it starts from 0. Okay, and in the question we had given the numbers 5 and 10. Okay, that means before I told you it starts from the first position, first number. Okay, that means from 5th position it will start up to 9 because 10th last number will not consider. Last that 10th position will not take up to 9. Just before that position number, it will take 5 to 9. If you are giving 5, 8, it will take 5th position, 6th position, 7th position. Just before that last number. It will not take that last position number. Okay, and consider that table. Will get the value as standard because from the 5th position you will get a S, and from the 6th position you will get a T, and from the 7th position you will get A, like that. From the 8th position you will get N. Last you will get from the 9th position you will get D. But it will not take I because it is in the 10th position. Okay, it will not consider from 5 to 9 only it will take. Okay, that means last position number excluding and the first position number including. Understood the meaning? It is also used to extract a part of a string. But here we have two arguments. In the first form we had only one argument. These are the two forms of this substring function. In the previous function we will take from that number to last, but here from that position number to last number, just before that last number. Okay, that's the meaning of these two functions. And the substring function is used to take a part of a string, that means to extract a word from a string. For that we are using this one. This is very useful for you when you are doing that programs. If you understood the thing, you just like it and share this video to others also. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. And my next video I will put some more functions of this string function related to this string function, and you just share to this video to other students also. It's very useful for others to learn Java, and it will help. It will help you to do the exams also. Okay, thank you.